So I'm going to show you guys why client-side controls cannot be trusted. I've showed you this before with my JavaScript examples. I'm going to show you this again, why client-sided things cannot be trusted because they can be easily exploited. Right, so basically on this website, what you get is you get 3 searches for images per day, right? So if I click 3 times next image, and as you can see, it says daily limit exceeded, and it basically tells me that if I want more, I need to log. So if I want more, I need to register or log in, and then I think you get a little bit extra, and then you have to pay. But the thing is, I don't really want to pay because I don't want to pay, right? So what you can do here is you can actually abuse this very, very easily, and it doesn't require any extra deep technological knowledge. It requires a simple understanding of how the website works. So let's just quickly analyze. I am not logged in, so the website doesn't have any database access about me. So that is already technically a bit easier, right? Then it only has my IP address, which can be spoofed with a VPN. Now I could rotate my IP addresses forever, but that is just a bit too much work because if it's only 3 searches, then it's a bit pointless. It's just going to take too much time, and it's a bit annoying to switch the VPN IP addresses. And then it has cookies, right? Because it has to check how many times I actually have clicked the button, right? It has to check somehow. And if I'm not logged in, there's no any tokens, or it's not assigned to my account or something, right? There's just cookies. So as you can see, if you go to cookies, it says view count 3. So if I actually delete this, right, and I refresh the website, as you can see, I have simply refreshed my searches. Right, so if I click 3 times again, as you can see, we get the same error, and I can basically do this back and forth how many times I want, right? I can refresh, boom, bypassed, right? However, this is a bit annoying, right? So what we can actually do simply is we can actually abuse this and break the logic of the website to give me as much searches as I possibly want. To do this, it's actually very, very simple. We need to observe how the website is working. So if I go to application, it says 1 3. So this basically the loop is going in the forward direction. It's not going from 3 to 0, right? Which the website originally was going from 3 to 0. So if I actually come to view count and I change this because it's going in the forward direction or forwards, what I can do is I can just put -100, right? And if I refresh the website, as you can see, now basically the website is broken because it says -100. So if I basically keep clicking, as you can see, I can click as many times as I want, and I basically bypass this. And technically this is it. It's not really, it is a vulnerability to some extent because if it matters how the company would look at it. But overall, the video, or the purpose of this video, was to show you that some developers are basically putting too much trust into client-side validation. One of my biggest vulnerabilities, and the biggest, funniest vulnerabilities I would say, was the developer specified the credentials for the admin page in the HTML source code. So that was probably one of the most exciting vulnerabilities for me because it was very, very simple to exploit. There is a Python course in the description down below. It is free, so go learn it. I'm not charging you anything, so you should take advantage of that. And thank you for watching. Peace.